An example of international migration is when people move from Poland to the United Kingdom. And this happens because we're both in the European Union, and so it's easy for people to make this move. Some of the things that people want to leave Poland for, the push factors, include large unemployment and poverty, because the jobs they do have don't pay as much as in the UK. And conversely, the things that pull people towards the UK, the pull factors, are this increased opportunity to earn money and have a job. And also, because lots of people have moved from Poland to the UK, then the lure of friends and family who are always here makes it an attractive place to move to. This page gives you some facts for the push factors, so we can see the difference in the household income, the UK to Poland. Huge difference there. People earning more money in the UK. That's a good push factor away from Poland. They're not earning much money. Life expectancy, even lower life expectancy in Poland than the UK, possibly hinting at a better quality of life, better healthcare in the UK, poorer healthcare in Poland. That would be a push factor. The pull factors, things attracting people to the UK then, this idea we said about friends and family already here. And so people are opening up shops selling Polish goods now as well, making it an attractive place for people to come to. NHS, good quality healthcare, free healthcare, good quality of life for that. And lots of job openings, particularly in agricultural work in places like Lincolnshire and Boston in Lincolnshire in particular. Very often this is seasonal work, which means that people after the farming season go back to Poland. If we had to explain the benefits of getting a job, it would lead to an increase in quality of life, people being able to afford more things, holidays, sending children to school, that kind of thing. And this very briefly goes through some of the positives and negatives of migration, both on the host country and where the migrants have come from.